Get ready to rock with this giant ornament cake. Yep, that's right, a giant edible ball. Have fun with fondant icing. Sprinkle some icing sugar on a chopping board and roll out your fondant icing. We're going to start by cutting out a snowflake shape. Next, we're going to cut out a sort of frilly circle shape using a cookie cutter. We're going to roll a ball of fondant icing and squish it down to make a sort of cube or dome shape. Using water to stick it on our circle. And on goes a fondant rope. We've sprayed that silver with edible paint. We have baked a vanilla cake in the shape of a circle. Cut it in half, made a hole in the middle. We're sticking in some chocolate coins, fondant decoration, sprinkles. Using red buttercream icing to stick on the other half, we are now going to coat the entire ball in red buttercream icing. Smooth it over with a flat knife or spatula. Beautiful. Stick on some more fondant decorations. You could do anything you like, of course. We've just kept with the wintry theme by doing snowflakes. Place them however you want. And using a cocktail stick, stick on the rope. There you go, ready to hang. Eat. Open it up and you have a surprise. Ooh, the kids will love it.